Hey guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you see, it's for Train Sim World on the Xbox One, so I picked this up today. Yeah, quite looking forward to playing it. So, yeah. So, there's the front. Got the class, I think that's class 43. HST, class 43. So, yeah. Side Train Sim World. And there's the back. Be the driver. Feel the detail. Drive or ride. Master your machines. And the install size is up to 16 gig, but it's licensed by Amtrak and Great Western Railway. And, yeah, and I believe that one's German. So yeah, then inside we have just a disc. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Train Sim World on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, but for now, I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.